A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Salt Lake City International Airport. The current local time is around 9:04 in the morning. There has been 1 hour time change from San Diego. Salt Lake City is located in the Mountain Time Zone. And for your continued safety, you must remain seated, seatbelts securely fastened, keep all cabin luggage properly stowed. This aircraft is completely parked at a terminal building, and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. It is not safe for you to use your personal mobile phones. However, we do need all laptop computers, other large electronic devices in the off position and properly changed. Our arrival gate is scheduled concourse D as in Delta, gate number 8. If you're making connections on Delta or Delta connection flights, please check the gate information. The gate information screen, which is located inside the gate area, for your flight information. Please be advised, gate change is always possible. This is the termination of our flight on behalf of our Sky team members and the entire New York City. Flight attendants and Salt Lake City-based pilots, we do thank you for flying with us, and we certainly do appreciate your business and wish you a very pleasant day and enjoy the rest of your weekend.